Fate is shit.
Fating and the setting. Say hi.
We're having a holiday. Today we go to beach.
Hello all.
Hello everyone.
Surprising to see us in car. Car is not our thing. We love bike, but we miss bike. The reason we are missing our bike is we are traveling by car this time with our son.
My son kept asking me to take to a beach, so we plan to go on a short trip, but unfortunately this short trip will now become a huge trip. Again, it's gonna be a 2000 kilometers trip.
Yeah.
So yeah, we started, we packed everything, we kept all our luggage in the back.
So you can see the mess. I didn't packing it. Oh, it's all so messy. But I packed a very huge luggage because when we used to travel by bike, I used to limit my luggage. So now I have limitless. So I packed all my clothes, all my cosmetics, everything around.
By the way, we are taking fishing rod also. So let's see if this fishing rod which we have purchased recently would work in the sea or not. That is actually a sea fishing rod.
So the plan was to start at 4 o'clock in the evening.
As usual, it's 6 o'clock now.
And we
Not
are-
even 6 o'clock, it's 6:50.
And we are stuck in this traffic, and still we need to pick up our cousin. So they're traveling with us this time.
So actually, this plan is not ours. We actually wanted to go. We didn't want it to go at all. Our plan was to go around 150 kilometers around Hyderabad. Not the other 150 kilometers. That was already done. There's a new one. So we thought of going there, but unfortunately, my cousin told that he wanted to go a little further. He wanted to travel a little bit more. So he asked me if we are in or out. So I thought so much, and we said, okay, fine. Even we will join you. Look at Pinky, how happy she is.
After all, we love traveling. Whatever the mode of transportation is, even though if it is lorry, I would have got on it and go to some other trip.
I did that once in my childhood.
I never got on to lorry, but I wish I could do that someday, some kind of adventurous.
So this is a really bad time that we have started from from home. You know that 6 o'clock it's a peak hour in Hyderabad, 6 till 9. But what can we do? That's how things work here. We started and we are en route. I'll let you know where we are going. It's a little bit small surprise. So we have gone to that place couple of months back already, but we wanted to go again because of our son.
Fate is leading us one more time to the place where we've been before last month.
2
Last
months back.
month. Yeah, sorry.
September.
2 months back. And you guys will really, really love that place, I know. So, Sunny? Yes, sir?
Yeah, they'll love the place. We already been to that place, so we are staying in the same resort. We booked for a day, and we took some videos last time, but I didn't want to upload because it was too late by the time we started vlogging. So we'll do it right now. We'll see how the place will be. But we went that time during monsoons. It was raining heavily and we can find water everywhere, but I'm not sure now how long the water will be and how much the water will be. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be so good as in September, but yeah, the place is good.
November is also good.
Yeah, November is also good, but I love rainy season.
Even I do love rainy season. Okay, guys, see you soon. And the place where we are going is surprise. Children are really, really excited to go to their favorite destination, I guess. Let's see what
Any
happens.
destination which has a beach in it.
Yeah, you're revealing it.
Yeah, it's okay.
And the bridge.
We're going to a beach.
And we go to beach.
Yeah,
And we get sand toys.
yeah, we're gonna buy sand toys also.
And
No watch, but right now the time is 9:20. So we are in BHL right now. We're going from BHL to. I'll show you directly. So yeah, it's a surprise. So we picked up our cousins, my sister and my sister's husband, and 2 kids along with us.
The other one is.
So the other one is behind the first one. So this is our son. So I know most of you know him, but the people who don't know, this is Aaron. Aaron, say hi, Nana. Say hi. Say hi.
We're having a holiday.
These guys.
Where are we going?
We're going to Dubai. We're going to go on the
Beach. Okay.
beach. Yeah.
Say hooray!
Hooray! And
Loudly.
we got toys.
Hip hip hooray. I say hip hip. You say hooray.
And I can share the video. And just smash.
అబ్బా మనకు మాట్లాడడానికి వీళ్ళే వచ్చి మాట్లాడేస్తారు.
On the mountain.
Ve-
Mountain.
Very nice and
And we go to holiday and we get to do the Halloween party. We go to party. We go to beach. And we go to beach at a Halloween party. And we change the dresses in my makeup.
So whenever you are en route to Dandeli, I think it's a must place to visit. We can go down, but we have a family to take care of. Cannot go down. I wish we would have come on bike. So let's see. I'll plan one more time for a bike visit to this place. We can happily get down and have a really pleasant time. You have a lot of rocks over there. We can put a campfire and barbecue. So yeah, it's a beautiful place to visit. This resort name is Om Bodhi Resort, which is in the Kumta village, almost 20 kilometers away from Gokarna. This is an outskirt. So if you would like to have a pleasant stay with a private beach where no one can disturb you in any way, so this is a resort for you. I know there are multiple resorts in Gokarna, but I love this one. Last time also we visited this place. You can find peacocks. It's surrounded by all the trees and all, so we can be close to nature and also very very close to beach. When you step out of this resort, it's beach. This is what the surprise is all about. We are in Gokarna. this is the room that we are gonna stay. It's a beach view room. Welcome.
I want to.
I will drink.
Come
I
back.
want drink.
Okay.
I want to drink. I want to drink.
Come Aaron. జ్యూస్ తీసి ఒక్క నిమిషం ఇది అయిపోయి
Thank you.